Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jamil Raymond, and I would love to introduce you to Tech Sales OS version 1. So here we are inside Tech Sales Academy. This is hosted on a platform called School. And what we've got here, as part of the course, you have a private community with myself answering questions every day, and then there will be a community of passionate, dedicated people that want to become top 1% sellers as well. So the first part of the experience is the community, and then there is the classroom, which is where the course is. So you can see here there's an introduction and 4 key areas to the course, okay? But let's go through the experience that you'll get first. So once you sign up and you join the Academy and you go to the first start point, you get something called the Tech Sales OS Knowledge Base. And basically, this is what you bookmark, and this has got the most recent resources, access to the course, all of my bonus resources to show, give you tips around industry resources, articles for self-improvement, but you also get all of the little bits and bobs here for free, version controlled, so you're always up to date with the latest one. You also get, as part of the course, Tech Sales OS Operations Manual. And essentially what this is a 90-something page workbook of all of the lessons as a gigantic cheat sheet in case you can't watch the videos and you just want to get certain references of what, the specific lessons that I give you. Okay, so you've got workbooks, you've got activities, so you know how to integrate these lessons into your daily working operations. Okay, I really want you guys to learn this stuff. So from there, once you've got this operations manual, then you go into the lessons themselves. Okay, so this is the top 1% process. So this process, end to end, is me mapping out exactly what I do every single sales year, from understanding the mindset that you need, how I set up my year with planning systems, and I will provide templates, which is coming up next, how I qualify customers and do my pre-sales conversations, all the way down to what you should be doing every single day as a tech seller. Because a lot of tech sellers don't actually understand. They're so unorganized. And so giving you guys some structure about what you should be doing, knowing when enough is enough for a day, can be really beneficial to you as a seller. Okay, so that's the top 1% process. And then you've got all these lessons that I've accumulated over time around what I think is important to teach you as a tech seller. The underlying theory behind Tech Sales Academy is if I had to build a elite seller from scratch based on my experience as 2x top 1% seller, what would I teach you? How would I build you from scratch, right? To give you that proper, framework for growth and excellence. So here you can see there's a lot of focus on sales psychology, emotions, which is the underlying, secret to the universe, which is what I explain in the course. And then the power of brand and developing your brand. In the next section, you've also got soft skills and account management. What does good communication look like? How do you tell better stories? What should you know about leadership and stakeholder management? What are some frameworks that you should understand about how to be a good account manager? Because being an account manager in tech is a very undocumented process and very unstructured. So that's what I'm trying to do, is give you tips and tools from my accumulated time to help build structure into your year and help you accelerate your growth faster. And then we've got business acumen and tech solutions. This is where the rubber hits the road. This is my collection of years of experience of closing deals, getting to know different stakeholders, teaching you how to sell to a technical resource versus an executive resource. What are the major business units that you'll deal with? What do they want to deal with? What do they want to hear about when it comes to generating value? Okay. What are the strategies that you can use to get inside the minds of the financial gatekeepers, which is the final boss of your deals? And what are the fundamentals that I think about technology when I design solutions and think about things from the customer's perspective? Okay. And this is not technical. These are just modern theories about what's happening in the world of tech. This course is not technical. This is focused on soft skills, personal development, understanding the world of technology sales from the people side of tech, for the account managers, the BDMs, right? The human side. So alongside all of these lessons, 65 lessons in total and growing, right? 8 hours of content. You also get, as part of the knowledge base, something I call the personal CRM. And this is a collection of templates that I've used to manage my portfolio, manage my pipeline, understand customer data, put it in one place, because I know that Salesforce sucks and you don't have all your information that you need to actually understand your customer accurately. What you should be doing to service your customers and have a register. What you should be asking in your first meeting and what a first meeting looks like. What you should be asking during your pre-sales conversations and what's the information that you need to know to shape a pre-sales conversation effectively, right? Your UVP, why are you in market? Why are you uniquely valuable to serve your customers? Do you understand that? Because if you don't, that's where you lose that critical piece of conviction where you show that you know what you're talking about and can speak confidently to customers. So that's pretty much the course there, right? Is that it's 9 different templates, the operations manuals, there's the cheat sheet, 65 lessons for $4.98 just for you guys right now. It will be $6.99 in a couple of days. This is your last chance to get this at this rate, or you can pay more for the exact same thing in 3 days, right? So by the time my website is being updated, this is it now, but it'll be updated in the next 48 hours, the price is going to go up. But since you're part of the newsletter and you've been here since day one, I want to give you guys this unique opportunity, okay? Also forgot to mention, if you have any questions about this course, right, and you want to get some personalized information, well, then you ask questions in the community. I'm here every day answering questions. And there is also a weekly Q&A session that'll be starting in May. So then, for an hour every week, I will be answering questions open source. You come to me with anything related to tech sales, your career, personal performance, I'm here for you, okay? So like I said, I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek inside. If you see this website, if it doesn't look like this anymore, you're too late. I would say if this hasn't convinced you, that's fine. We'll keep chatting, but I'm giving you this last chance right now to save yourself some money before I launch this in a few more days at $6.99. Okay? If you got any questions, please email me. I'm at your service, just giving you this last chance, and hopefully I'll see you in the academy. Take care.